Have you ever thought about customizing pencils with amazing labels? Today, I'm going to show you how I made these personalized labels using Ferax adhesive vinyl, a high-quality, durable material that's perfect for customization. I'll teach you step by step, from creating the design to the final application. Let's get started. On Canva, you can either create a design from scratch or use a ready-made template. To begin, simply select a document in A4 format or adjust it to your desired size. If you're using a pre-made design, you can import and adjust it as needed. If the file is too large, you can resize it. For example, to create a pencil label, you can define the dimensions after adjusting the size. Then, just position the elements, add the name, and choose the color, font, and text size as needed. Once that's done, you can group the elements to make alignment and positioning within the design easier. With the design finalized, it's time to print. We're using Ferax matte adhesive vinyl for inkjet printers. This material is perfect for customization because it's thinner, weighing only 90 grams, which makes it easier to apply to small objects and curved surfaces. Since it's more flexible, it adheres better and doesn't peel off easily, ensuring a durable and professional finish. Now that the printing is done, let's cut out the labels. For this type of customization, precise cutting is important. You can use scissors, a craft knife, or a cutting machine, depending on the finish you want. Once the labels are ready, just apply them to the pencils. Ferax adhesive vinyl has excellent adhesion, ensuring that the label stays firmly in place with a professional finish. And that's it. Now you know how to customize pencils easily and professionally using Ferax adhesive vinyl. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.